called Jamie Fleeman. This is a story about a guy who was born alongside. He was no status whatsoever. However, he was a legend, and this story I think explains why. This is Jamie Fleeman. Jamie dressed in a tatty sack coat, a broad body and whitey hair. Often folk would try to laugh at him, but his razor sharp wit was rare. Some rich folks saw him with his donkey, his at your breather. They asked young Fleeman. Fleeman said no, just a casual acquaintance, just the same as yourself, man. He was a gallivanting day. Some rich folks asked him, where you been? Hell, he replied, and it's the same as happens here. They keep the poor rich and keep the rich in. Jamie Fleeman was on his fool. He was loyal to Bedwy's rights. Jamie Fleeman, the messenger, hidden in plain sight. Jamie Fleeman was on his fool. Loyal to Bedwy's rights. Jamie Fleeman, the messenger, hidden in plain sight. Jamie was strong, he saved all fair fire, the throwing a kiss to the windy. Couldn't have been moved by less than 3 men, but to Jamie couldn't have didn't mean Whitney. Placed in a wager beyond himself to silence an English general's boasts. Wrestled again, took down all his men. Their mere insults left their throats. Upon a greeting man, he asked me to diab and slyly slipped the king's shilling. So he returned it to the red coat for squared up to him. So Jamie left the red coats he dinging. Jamie Fleeman was on his fool. He was loyal to Bedwy's rights. Jamie Fleeman, the messenger, hidden in plain sight. Confetted the fool, met Jamie beside the Eithin. That's the best place to cross this river, Jamie replied, right there, man. He went to cross, his horse had slipped as the water surrounded the lip. He scampered out near drowned and ringing, firing to the fool in a rage. I was all deep and you should have kid. Nearly got teeth by the depth and the force. Strange, said Jamie, I've seen ducks take that course, and their legs are much smaller than your horse. Jamie Fleeman was on his